Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my dear students, today the topic will be different. How to write, how to type the Arabic content on MS Word. So, either you are using 2003 or 2007 or 10 or 11, 12, 13. So, any version you can do on MS Word, the Arabic typing using MS Word. So, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, just first of all, how many things we can do on MS Word. That will be, this is MS Word and I'm using 2007 version. Allah Akbar Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam Jalla Jalaluhu Rasul Alaihi, and the last one is Riyadh. So how to do all this using the keyboard, So let's get started. So I will delete all this. Then inshallah we'll be trying one more time. So first of all, we'll go for Allah, first one. So we have to just type FDF2. FDF2. After typing FDF2, we need to press Alt X. We need to press Alt X. Alt X. See how it looks, Allah in Arabic. Again, I will do FDF2. After typing FDF2, we need to add here Alt plus X. We need to press Alt X. So I'm just doing Alt then X. Alt then X. So it has changed to Allah. FDF2 has changed to Allah. Now go for the second one. I will just increase the size using this font, Sakal Majalla, and so I will go with 48 size. Yes, perfect. Now let's go to the second one, that is Akbar. Akbar. So for Akbar, we need to do FDF3. So we need to type FDF3. Then again, we need to press from the keyboard Alt then X. Alt then X. So it has changed to Akbar. So I will using all these properties to Akbar. Akbar. Now it's perfect. So again I will do. So how Akbar will change? We have to press FD F3 on the keyboard. Then we need to press Alt then X. So it changed to Akbar. Now come to the third one. So Jalla Jalaluhu. So how to type Jalla Jalaluhu? So after, whenever we type any Islamic content, any subject related to Islamic studies, so usually we will take from the Google and we will just copy and paste. So now no need to do, no need to go for Google. Just we can do on our keyboard itself. So how to do this? Jalla Jalaluhu. We need to go for FDFB. FDFB. Then again Alt X. Again Alt X. So again I will show you. FDFB. Either the caps on or off, doesn't matter. FDFB. then Alt X, Jalla Jalaluhu. So the same properties for this also. Format painter, just press it. Jalla Jalaluhu. Now come to the next one. The same properties I will do here. Now it's perfect. Now, so how to type Muhammad? Muhammad on MS Word. So we need to go with FDFA, then press Alt X. Alt X. So Alt X. So it has changed to Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So before this, we need to add Muhammad. So for that, we need to go for FDF4. FDF4. Then again Alt X. So it's changed to Muhammad. Muhammad. So again, I will show you. So after typing FDF4, I will decrease its size to. So after typing FDF4, just press here Alt X. It's changed to Muhammad. Now next one, go for Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So again we need to do FDFA. FDFA, then press from the keyboard Alt X. Alt X. So again I will show. After typing FDFA, then press Alt X. So it's changed to Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So we can go with the same properties, format painter, then Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Next, we'll go for Rasul. Rasul. So the same properties for this also. This and yes. Okay. So how to type Rasul using MS Word? So for that, we need to type FDF6. FDF6. Then Alt X. So it's changed, it is changed now. Again, I will show FDF6. After typing FDF6, press Alt X. Alt X. Now I will add here Allah. FDF2. Then I'm pressing Alt X. Rasul Allah. So it has become here. So I will go with here. Rasul Allah. Now next one. It is seventh one. Now I'll go with the same properties to this also. Perfect. Now, how to type Riyal in Arabic using MS Word? So for this, we need to go with FDFC, then press Alt X. So it's changed to Riyal. So I'll show you again, Control Z. Now FDFC, after typing FDFC, so I'm just pressing Alt X. So it's changed to now Riyal. So same properties for this also, Riyal. So like this, you can type the Arabic content using MS Word. Some tips and tricks on how to type the Arabic using MS Word. So I hope you have understood today's tutorial. So in the next video, we'll be doing the next content. So till then, إلى اللقاء مع السلامة. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.